What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Craig. We're going to be talking about the charts a little bit today. Obviously, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. I'm going to show you where my trade positions are as of right now. You know, 5 of my 6 positions got stopped out yesterday in profit. We cashed about 32,000 in off of those. I still have one of those 6 in, and I've added shorts. I am in the negative right now on those trades. Still, obviously, we are up about 80,000 in the last week. But let's take a look at what's going on with that. But I do want to talk about a couple things with the markets, right? So it's so funny how, the markets are crashing, and then you have Trump's advisors, or whoever the hell it was, somebody yesterday had tweeted that they're going to change their minds on tariff. If he changes his mind on the tariffs, again, he's going to look like a pushover, because then they'll say all we have to do is dump some stocks and then he'll change his mind, because all he's worried about is the market. Guys, I believe the market's going to crash no matter what. Very soon, within this year, we're going to see huge downside, in my opinion. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. I've been wrong before. Maybe we get one more push up, but regardless, I'm going to show you what happens to the DXY and the 10-year yield when the markets crash. A lot of people are under the assumption of the DXY goes down when the market goes up, right? And when the market goes down, the DXY goes up. Not necessarily true, right? As I've talked about many times before, that I believe it's best to be in cash when a market crashes, and then you buy the bottom with that cash and let your money rise. And I'm going to show you how that happened in 2008, what happened with the DXY. But we'll also be looking at XRP, Solana, all that good stuff. So definitely stick around to the end of the video if you want to look at the altcoins. But let's take a look at what's going on. So word from the sponsor real quick, and then we'll get into it. All right, guys, I do want to mention that it is a 30% deposit bonus up to $7,000. So 30% of whatever you deposit for are on your Prime XBT account. And you can trade all the traditional markets, Forex and crypto, all from one account. Anyways, let's get into it. So taking a look at the 10-year yield, right? So when the market topped and started crashing for 2007, it was in August or 2008 financial crisis. It actually started in 2007, right? November 2007. So as you can see, the 10-year yield dropped. Now, a lot of people say that when the 10-year yield drops, the market rises because the Fed's buying the debt. Well, this proves otherwise. You can see what happened in 2007, right? And it bottomed about March of 09. Around the same time, the markets bottomed, right? And then it started pushing back up. Now, let's take a look at the DXY. So the DXY, oh, I'm sorry. That was the Dow Jones. My bad. So the Dow Jones topped right here, October 2007, bottomed in 09, right? Now, let's take a look at the 10-year yield. You can see the 10-year yield from the same point came down or going up. Then you want to take a look at the DXY right here. It came down, but it bottomed in the middle, March of 08, right here, March to July, bottom, and then came up, right? So if you hit the market bottom, which was, let's go over here, March of 09, right? So March of 09 would be right here, right? The dollar was worth the most, right? It rose into that. And then people bought back into the market. As the market rose, the dollar came down. That's why I say, if you can get in the market when that dollar is valued up here and the market's at the bottom, is the best time. I believe we are looking at a huge crash. This stuff cannot sustain at what's going on now. Even with everything Trump's doing, that stuff's going to take time to take effect. So I think we'll have a major bear market till all that stuff actually starts taking effect, in my opinion. Doesn't have to be yours. All right, so Bitcoin, as you guys know, we nailed this. Another thing, like I was saying about the tariffs, that the market started crashing with the tariff call. And then yesterday they talked about maybe they were going to backpedal on the tariffs. And then the market started pumping up in pre-market last night. And now it's coming back down again. Just real. They're playing you guys. They are playing you. The good thing is if you trade this stuff, if you buy it, you just have to hope and pray that it goes up. But if you learn how to trade, it doesn't matter. The shit can go down and you can make a ton of money. The shit can go up and you can make a ton of money. Anyways, so we talked about this yesterday. I said to break of this 89, look for the 83.5 again. If that was to break and we never opened and closed any 4-hour candles under it, I said if we did, then we would look for our next target. So we came back up here and now just ranging right in between our target areas, guys. That's all we're doing. We nailed this when everybody else was calling 100,000. It was at about 90,000 after this pump started because of the big announcement. And I had put out on X, I put a tweet out that said 95,000 looks like a juicy short, and that was at 90,000. And boom, look what happened. If you got into that, you nailed it. Awesome. But anyways, so now we need to see a 4-hour candle open and close above this before we go up looking for our next high, which will probably be around 93.2 if it makes it. Otherwise, we come back down, break below here, and our next target, again, is the 83.5. Same thing. If we open and close a 4-hour candle below that, looking for 77, and then on to 70. Now, taking a look at my trades and where they're at currently, right? So this is the one I have left over from where my 5 closed. Remember, I was telling everybody in the Discord where I moved my stops to. The last move was, I think it was 87,000, and that's where 5 of them got stopped out. I think it was 32,000 in profit actually received, right? And now we still have this one. This one's still up 3,200. And then I added more shorts at 88, 87. So all around the 88 area, 88.3. These are each down 1,600 as of time of making this video. My stops are at 91. They've been at 91. That's where I put them yesterday. I even moved this one, top one there. Again, I tell everybody as I'm doing this in the Discord. If you haven't joined the Discord, join. Link is down below. And by using my links, you can get, if you sign on to Prime, you get big bonuses. And those that want no KYC, no VPN, check out BitUnix. That link is also down below. You deposit $100, they put in an extra $100 on top of it. And you can trade tons of crypto on here. They have a lot of meme coins, traditional crypto, everything. Definitely check them out. All right, so Solana, just real quick, taking a look at where we're at. Remember, this was the big fake out social media post of everything going to the moon, and it got taken away very quickly. But we have been watching for this. So we get open and closes of daily candles within this rising channel, then there's still a chance we get up to here. But anything below here still, if we can't get above there, guys, my target still around $27 for Solana. And then Cardano tried to wick above that again. Again, we have not opened and closed daily candle. It has to be the same candle, open and close above this before we can look for a new high. And that would probably get somewhere around, let me see, put a measured move on here, where this would be. Now, again, everything would have to go up. That would mean markets are having one more leg up. But that would get you to about 158 for Cardano if that was to happen, right? But I'm still looking for that 31 cents. Guys, and if you just take a look back, you'll see what these coins actually do. Be careful out there. I know. So I have, friends and acquaintances from the past. I see them all posting about XRP and blah, blah, blah. Dude, when the people around you get into this shit, get the hell out. We've learned this over and over and over the years. I've seen it every top. They will call you and say, oh my God, blah, blah, blah. And you'll see people posting on Facebook and everything else about better buy this or you're going to miss out. And it's too late. When you see that shit, it's too late. trade this shit, guys. Trading is the way to go, in my opinion. 100% trade the shit. Then you ain't got to be stuck in it, hope and pray, and watch your money dwindle away when the markets crash. But when the markets really go into a bear market, which Bitcoin and crypto has never seen, when this happens, they will get crushed the absolute most. Then and only then is, in my opinion, remember, none of this is financial advice, but then and only then, when the markets crash and you see crypto lose 80, 90, 95%, then pick the right ones and you will do well, because I think that'll be the last big bear market, your actual good entry point to crypto. So do what you got to do. That's what I'm looking for. I will continue to look for it. XRP cannot seem to get back above here, but remember, even if it wicks above, which is a good possibility, all you need is someone stupid to say something stupid, and stupid people buy. And if you get an open and close above here, then we can still look for that 348. That was our target a long time ago. We have higher ones too. We'll start to look at that only if we open and close the daily above this falling channel here. But right now it seems to still be getting rejected on top of the channel. And like I said, still looking for that $1.60 range. If that breaks, it's going to get very ugly. Ethereum. So Ethereum just cannot seem to get back above that resistance, which used to be support. So looking around that 2,250 range, right? Because this is going to be moving up. But if it cannot get back above here and start opening and closing daily candles, it is bearish. These are my targets. 1,500 be the first one. And then obviously, if the bear market is like I think, much lower to go for them there. Litecoin was a coin that was holding up for a while, but it's starting to really give up. Right now, we got our 200 EMA on the daily, right around $100. If we break below there, open and close daily above, or below, same thing, guys. We'll look for that 88, and then if the 88 breaks, we're looking for about 55. And if that breaks, the big true bear market is in my opinion. We have much lower to go. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys would like to see other things on the channel, make sure you guys smash the thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below. Do you want to go over more of the traditional markets, some more altcoins? Name whatever you want to go over in the bottom. I will be. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Like I said, there's also the free Discord. You can follow me on X. There's links below the video. All those links help support the channel. If you do want to help support the channel, check them out. If you want to trade, there's awesome exchange links down there with great bonuses. And I'm out of here, guys. I will catch you in the next one.